Hello everyone. Hello everyone. It's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and today's going to be a really short video because today is pick the winner of the Hobbii Pearly Haze yarn. Do you remember this in the beautiful colors? Let's see. I have a dozen cakes or donuts. Excuse me. They retail right now. They're not on sale. They retail for $11.20 each. There are a dozen, including the one that I started with. Works up beautifully. I am not frogging it. I will send it to you. You can frog it if you want to, or you can just tell me in the email that the winner is going to send to me. You can tell me if you want the pattern that I printed. If you don't want it, that's fine. I will keep it and print another one for myself because I am going to make something. I am going to make that pattern, which is a shawl, which is also free on the Hobbii website, so it's not a big deal. I like it, and I'm still going to make it, but I just can't do it with this yarn. So, that being said, I had heard that there were some things different on the random comment picker. I don't know if that will allow me. I heard somebody said that you have to pay for having it where you pick, you can have a comment in it. Like you had to say, I love Hobbii in the comments. And somebody says that they've changed the random comment picker and there's fees now and there's just different stuff. I don't know. So I went ahead and did that because I wanted to make sure how it was going to work or not work. And guess what? There was no place for me to put in the I love Hobbii, but you still had to do that. So if the winner hadn't had that in there, then I would have picked another name. Because you had to have it in there. That's what the rules said. So anyway, long story short, I did pick the winner. And I'm going to insert that clip right here. I would love it if you would all congratulate the winner. And the instructions on what to do next are at the end of the little clip. My email address is in the description box below. It always is. And you did not say if you were from the U.S. or the U.K. or, outside the U.S. But I'm assuming you're from the U.S. because you didn't specify otherwise. So you will get this beautiful yarn. And I hope you enjoy it very much. If it turns out that you are not part of the U.S., then I will have to get together on a gift card and I will draw another name for this. And that's all I'm doing in this video is just picking this winner because I don't have anything else to show you. So there's that. I am working on a project. As you know, my crochet time is kind of limited these days. And so today I'm hoping to get a lot of crocheting done. So let's see if that works out for me. And congratulations to my winner. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Well, I have, excuse me, I have added the URL. And I'm not quite sure how this is going to work this time, but we'll see. I'm trying to filter duplicate users. It's not giving me a place where I can put where you had to put I love Hobbii. So we'll see. I think I might still have to add these together. Let's see what happens. There's 66 unique comments. And let's see what we get. Dina Van D says, I love Hobbii. My obsession started with the lucky cake bags. I play bingo every Monday. That yarn looks beautiful and the project seems perfect for it. All right, Dina. So Dina, I need you to email me at charmedgrammycrochet@gmail.com and let me know your address. And I will send this yarn out to you right away. So congratulations. Hooray, hooray. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.